All right, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. The first table starts on the 9th block. There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 squares. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 plus the piece over by the wall this way. There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 long tables, 3 8-footers, 1 6-footer. Of course, the 4 here, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 round tables. We have the brown ones here, and then we have 1, 2, 3, 4 8-footers, 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 and then the last one is 3 8-footers and a 6-footer. This row is 1, 2, 3 full squares from the wall. All the others 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 full squares between each of the tables. You can see it looks like this.